Hello student, this is your exercise number C, past simple. Read the sentences given below. Vani saw the moon in a bowl of water. The frog jumped into the pond. Last week the boys played football every afternoon. Zamini and Frida swam every Sunday in the summer holidays. The past simple tense tells us about actions completed in the past. जो फास्ट सिंपल टेंस होता है वह हमें क्या बताता है कि एक्शन जो है कोई अगर काम हुआ है तो वो पास्ट में ही कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ठीक है। जैसे कि वानी शॉ द मून इन अ बॉल ऑफ वाटर। वानी ने चंद्रमा को किसके कटोरे में देखा? बॉल ऑफ वाटर, ओके, पानी के कटोरे में देखा। द फ्रॉग जम्प्ड इनटू द वेल। जो फ्रॉग था वो किस में जंप कर गया? पॉन्ड में। लास्ट वीक द बॉयज़ प्लेड फुटबॉल एवरी आफ्टरनून। पिछले हफ्ते जो लड़के थे वो डेली दोपहर में, प्रत्येक दोपहर में क्या खेलते थे? फुटबॉल। सो the past simple tense tells us about actions completed in the past. You can see in the first and second sentence, and it also tells us about habit or repeated actions in the past. और ये हमें हैबिट और जो कि रिपीटेड एक्शंस होते हैं पास्ट में उनके बारे में भी बताता है। नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग टेबल। सिंगुलर, प्लूरल। आई डिड, वी डिड, you did, he did, she did, they did, it did. Singular, short form. I did not, I didn't, you did not, you didn't, he did not, he didn't, she did not, she didn't, it did not, it didn't. Okay, you can see here these are the short form of did not, didn't. Okay, this is the short form of did. Plural and its short form. We did not, we didn't, you did not, you didn't, they did not, they didn't. Read the past and negative forms of the following verbs. Ate. This is the past form, and when did come with did, first form always comes, okay? We use first form. So this is the past form, ate, and did not eat. I have told you that with the helping verb did, we always use first form. Bit, did not bite, cried, did not cry, hugged, did not hug. Complete the given table. Wrote, did not write, went, did not go, because the first form of went is go. Go, past form is went, then the third form is gone. Bought, did not buy, found, did not find. Write these in your book, page number 86. Okay. Flew, did not fly, had, did not have. Now change the following sentences into negative sentences. One day Tommy saw a big brown cow. You have to write here. One day T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy did not see a big brown cow. I did not give a seashell to my brother. The wasp hit the dog on the nose. The wasp did not bite the dog on the tree. I have written here tree, but you have to write here nose because I was confused. Okay, I have written here wrong. You will write nose, N-O-S-E, nose. 3 men went to sea in a tub. 3 men did not go to sea in a tub. Here you will write S-E-A, okay? S-E-A, sea. S-E-E means dekhna, it's a verb, and sea means samudra. So here you will write S-E-A, okay? The next is Number 5, the tiger hid in the tall grass. The tiger did not hide in the tall grass. The small boys did not run after the peacocks. Okay, do this work very quickly. Past is am-are. Past of is am-are. Is am-are का past क्या होता है? Read the following table. I was happy. मैं खुश था. I was not happy. मैं खुश नहीं था. I wasn't happy. Is are am का past क्या होता है? Was and were. Okay. You were happy. तुम खुश थे. You were not happy. तुम खुश नहीं थे. Weren't happy. It's a short form. Was, wasn't, and were, weren't. He was happy. He was not happy. He wasn't happy. She was happy. She was not happy. She wasn't happy. It was happy. It was not happy. It wasn't happy. Now in plural, for plural we use were, and I you के साथ were का use करेंगे. Okay. We were happy. We were not happy. We weren't happy. You were happy. You were not happy. You weren't happy. They were happy. They were not happy. They weren't happy. Now change the following sentence into negative sentence. Negative means जिसमें not लगा हो. Okay. Priya was late for school. Priya was not late for the school today. The children were happy. The children were not happy. The wood fairy was kind to the fig tree. The wood fairy was not kind to the fig tree. Hope you have done this work. Take a screenshot, then you can do it. Now let's move to the next page. Now 4 is the blazers were afraid of the wolf. The blazers were not afraid of the wolf. Next, short answers. Complete the answers. Did Sarah pick the small cakes in the box? Yes, she did. Did little boy Blue look after his sheep? No, he didn't. We can write he did not also. Okay. Didn't is the short form of did not. Did the magic pot cook many tasty dishes? Yes, it did. Did the dog say meow meow? No, they didn't. Did the mouse help the tortoise to escape? Yes, it did. Did the Prime Minister give Bubbly a bravery award? Yes, he did. Okay. Now it's writing part. Betty's story. Number of girls? 4. Number of girls standing? 3. And number of balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here in the given blanks. Now move to the next page. 89. Complete the paragraph with phrases from the box. This is the box. We have to complete this paragraph. I have completed here. You can write. And let's see. One day Betty went to a party. It's a very beautiful poem, Betty at the party. And here the writer of the book has written paragraph on it. One day Betty went to a party. When she came back, she told her mother a story. एक दिन बेटी कहाँ गई थी? एक पार्टी में गई थी. जब वो वापस आई तो उसने अपनी मम्मा को एक स्टोरी सुनाई. सी सैड मदर समथिंग फनी हैपेंड एट द पार्टी. कि मम्मा आज कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा फनी पार्टी में हुआ था. अ लिटिल गर्ल फेल डाउन. एक छोटी सी लड़की गिर गई थी. फेल डाउन ऑन द फ्लोर. फ्लोर पर गिर गई थी. ऑल द गर्ल्स हियर डोंट राइट एनीथिंग. ऑल द गर्ल्स स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. All the girls started laughing, but I didn't laugh. Who says? Betty says कि सारी जो लड़कियाँ थीं वो हंसने लगी थी लेकिन मैं नहीं हंसी. Betty's mother was happy. बेटी की मदर बहुत खुश हुई that her daughter was kind, क्योंकि उनकी डॉटर क्या थी? बहुत ज़्यादा kind थी. And did not laugh at others, और दूसरों पर हंसती नहीं थी. She said, God bless you Betty. But why didn't you laugh? लेकिन तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी? The spelling of laugh is L-A-U-G-H. Okay, laugh. Betty replied, I didn't laugh because it was I who fell down. Betty ने कहा मैं नहीं हंसी क्योंकि ये मैं ही थी जो गिर गई थी पार्टी में। वो लड़की कौन थी? मैं खुद थी, इसलिए बेटी नहीं हंसी। इट्स अ फनी ना, इट्स अ फनी स्टोरी। नाउ साउंड स्पेलिंग द फॉलोइंग words after your teacher. Read the following words after your teacher. Now I am reading, you repeat after me, okay? Head, head, and beat. Now I am speaking again. Head. Here you can see in head the sound of EA has a short sound. EA has a short sound. HEAD. In head EA has a short sound. EA का sound कैसा? Short है. But in the word bead EA has a long sound. जो EA का sound है वो क्या है? Long है. We are speaking it bead. Okay, and in this word we are speaking it head. Now your teacher will say the following words. Listen and write each word in the short vowel sound group or the long vowel sound. Beta, you can write whenever I am speaking, or you can pronounce these words, then you can write them yourself. Okay, now I am speaking, you listen to me and then write. Bread. Is it long sound or short sound? Bread. It's a short sound of EA. Okay. Dream. Dream. In the word dream EA has a long sound. Okay. Feather. Please. Treasure. Season. Teach. Thread. Happy. Breath. Cheap. Deep. Spread. Beach. East. Cream. Dead. Leaf. I have written here short vowel sounds and long vowel sound. Okay. Now you do it. Your book exercise has finished. Thank you and have a nice day.